my love. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey. So guys, today we have some different scenery going on and we have a special guest today. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Greg.
That's all y'all need to know. Okay, so I'm gonna be attempting to do his braids today, and he has a specific style in mind, which is triangle parts, as you can see from the title. And I think it's gonna go good. What do you think?
I know it's gonna go good. I got faith in you.
Right, so I'm pretty much just gonna be going through that process with him, and then we're gonna go get his hair lined up and tapered, and then you'll see the final results. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Yeah.
Period.
So we're just starting by taking his hair down under his do-rag. His mom already prepped it all for me. She's the one who's been doing his hair before I even tried. And so the fact that he's letting me do it and not his own mother, you know what I'm saying? Like growth or whatever, you feel me? But yeah, he's been growing his hair, he said, for about 6 years, like going on 6 years now. And I'm like, what the heck? Because y'all know I ain't got no hair on my head. I'm like, this like 4 heads on your head right now, like sick, but it's okay. Like he got the long hair, I got the short hair. It is what it is. Anyway, so I was just parting this out, like trying to see where I should start. The video I watched, I'll link it down below, on how to do triangle parts. She was very informative. She said, like, you want to start with you want to basically make your rows all have odd numbers. So 5, 7, 3, you know. So I had to like try my best to make them like all the same size and stuff. And because he has a taper in the back of his head and on the sides, it was a little bit tricky towards the front, but it all worked out. They look really good at the end. So yeah, if you guys want to try these parts out on your own hair, on someone you know, like, just keep on watching, you feel me? Also, the products that I was using was just coconut oil and honey. That's all his mom ever puts on his hair. And so I'm like, look, we gonna do what she been doing, because it's been working. So, you know, I didn't use any edge control or anything like that. He's all into very natural ingredients and products for his hair. So that's what we stuck to. You feel me? Also, don't look at my nails, y'all. Like, I had to rip my acrylics off because they was too long. I knew I wouldn't have been able to braid his hair. So I'm like, we just go rip them off. You feel me? Like, it's fine. Sacrifice, okay? But yeah, like the first row, I was excited because I'm like, okay, like, period, I got this or whatever. And so like the confidence came. You feel what I'm saying? We were just chilling, vibing in my house, in my basement actually, watching some anime. It's like Blood of Zeus or something on Netflix. I was like, interesting. But yeah, vibing, chilling, you know? So yeah, just watch me go through this process. Again, I was doing even rows. And as you can see, when you did even rows, everything lined up. Like the actual lines just perfectly lined up. So it was pretty simple. As you can see, I'm pretty far into his braids. There was only about, I believe we kind of like 28, maybe around 30 braids on his head. Yeah, like these are the last few parts. And like I said, it was kind of difficult getting up there, like trying to make them all perfect and also frame his face because I don't want any braids like in his face. So I tried to do like them coming on the sides of his head. But as you can see, like there's a clear star shape in the middle of like all the braids. That means you did something right. All your rows should have been odd. And it should create this really cool design. I was very proud of myself for this being my first attempt. Y'all know I don't be doing hair for real. So I was like, okay, period. I'm like, okay, cosmetology school ain't teach me nothing. But, you know, some YouTube videos did it, period. So, yeah, I'm just putting his hair in a bun because I usually would do that for him.